Hello everyone. In this video, let's talk about identity operators and membership operators. So first coming to identity operators. So these operators, they will compare the memory location of two objects. Okay, that means they will check whether both objects are pointing to the same address or not. Okay, so here uh, in Python, we have two identity operators, is and is not. So what is the purpose of is operator is it will check whether two objects have the same address or not. If both objects have the same address, this is operator will return true. Otherwise, it returns false. Just is not is just reverse to is operator. Okay. Suppose if both objects have different addresses, then is not operator will return true. Okay. Otherwise, it returns false. So just execute the code on identity operators. So go to Python idle. So see here, I am taking A is 10, B equal to 10. Okay. So I want to check whether ID of A, address of A and also address of B. So both objects have the same address. So then if both objects have the same address, A is B. Okay, it will return true, right? A is not B should return false. Okay, suppose for example, if A is 10 and B is 20. Now I want to check whether A is B or not. It returns false because A address of A, if you check the address of A, see, address of A and address of B both are not same. So that's why is operator returns false. Here in this case, if you check for is not operator, it should return true. Okay, so that's about is and is not operator. So these two operators comes under identity operators in Python. Okay. Now let's talk about membership operators. So Python's membership operators, they will test for a membership in a sequence such as strings, lists or tuples. That means suppose if you consider a string, okay, so they will check whether a substring is present in the string or not. Okay, that is a membership, that is called as a membership. Similarly, if you take a list or tuple elements, so a desired element is present in the list or tuple. Okay, so for testing this membership, we have to use in or not in. Okay, so these two are called as membership operators of Python. Okay, so for example, consider here I have a string str equal to how are you. Okay, suppose if I want to check whether u means it is a substring. In the main string, this u is a substring, right? U in str. Okay, here by using membership operator in, I can check whether my membership is, I can test whether my membership is present in the string or not. That is, a substring is present in the string or not. Okay, if it is find, if that substring is found, then this in operator will return true. Okay, otherwise it returns false. Similarly, if you consider a list or tuple, suppose for example, my list elements are 10, 20, 30, 40. So these are my list elements. So I can find now whether element 40 in my list or not. If that element is in the my list, then it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. So by using this in and not in membership operators, I can find whether my desired elements are present in the membership or not. Okay, my membership element is present in the sequence or not. So now let me execute the code on these membership operators. So go to Python idle. So see here, I am considering a string str. Str equal to hello, how are you? So this is my string. See here, now str means hello, how are you, it is showing. Now I want to check whether r in, sorry, so this is a string. Now you have to give in singular double quotations r in str. It returns true because it is fine, it is already in the string, right? Similarly, if you consider a list, my list is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so if I want to check whether 50 in my list, that means element 50 is present in my list or not. If that element is present, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. Similarly, we have another one, that is not in. So I can check whether 50 not in my list. So not in will return true if it is not found in the list, right? So it returns now true. Similarly, in the string str, I want to find whether hi not in str. So hi is not, sorry, here we have to give quotations. Okay, so hello, how are you? So here in this string hi is not there. So as I used not in membership operator, it should return true. See here, it returns true. So like this we have to use membership operators. So we have in and not in membership operators in Python. Okay, thank you.